Okay, guys. So everything is fine now. Come on.
Yes, -1.
Yes, fine.
Why we are taking now? See this here, right? See this here. Okay, -1 I'm taking now. So means what? It's matched with what this data type or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, matching with integer.
Yeah. So because of that, if we are not sending any data, then what we will get now? -1, right? -1 we will get. Okay. So now, no, I want to send the data. So what is that? Question mark? Question mark? Question mark? What is that? I'm taking what? ID equal to what? Just I'm taking 10. Then what result we will get it now, guys?
We get 10.
10 get
10.
Yeah.
Data 10.
Yeah, we will get what? 10 now, right?
Correct.
We will get 10 or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir. We get it.
Okay. If we are not sending any data, then what we will get now? Enter it. What we are getting now? -1 or not, guys? Come on.
-1. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but guys, this one is the not recommended, right? This one is what? Not recommended. Okay. So instead of taking this one, right? Someone like mute yourself, Pujita, Sunil, I don't know. Okay. Some noise is happening now. Okay. So no, it's a recommended. Our Spring is saying that don't take primitive type. What you have to take? Integer, because integer if we take, right, integer by default value is what, guys? Come on.
null.
Null. So if we are not sending one, if this one will match, then what result we will get? No data. Then it will work, guys. Okay, no data. No data, right? No data. Okay, so good. So come here. Come on the browser now. Just refresh it. Okay, no issue. What is that? Bad request we are giving. No data, right?
Ravi.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, sorry. So what is that? Just remove this one, right? Remove this one because integer it will take, right? So now, so what is saying that what our Spring is saying that no, don't take anything. Just take what is that? Just take what? Required type as well as what wrapper type. You have to use what wrapper type, and even the project also we are using the wrapper type only, guys. Okay. So now all possibility I shown to you people related what request parameter. Now how it's good or just bouncing on
Useful is the Ravi. Very useful it is.
Yeah, good.
It's good,
Very
sir,
Yeah,
Ravi.
good, Ravi. Yeah.
Good Ravi. Very useful.
Okay, so one more things now, guys. So no, I want just here what I shown. Only one, right? Only one request parameter I sent here. Okay, no, I want what is that? Just think about that. Only one question I'm going to explain it, guys. Okay, see this. Okay, so here what I'm going to take it now. So just remove it, these things. Okay, just remove this one. Take it here. What EID. Okay, integer now. Okay, so another one more I'm going to take it, right? Another one more I'm going to take it. Stop the. Okay, so I want to send multiple data in the request parameter. So what is that? Request param here. What I'm going to take now? Ename, and here what I'm taking is string. Ename, right? Name I'm taking. What is that? Name. Good. So okay, good, guys. So here what is that? Name I'm taking, right? Now come. Okay, good. So two parameter, right? How many parameter if we want? Those many. What we will do now, guys? We will take the request parameter, right? After then, what is that? Model dot add
attribute.
Yeah, add attribute. What is that? Name I'm taking, right? Name.
The object name.
Yeah, here I'm taking what? Name. And come to JSP and read one more time, right?
Yes.
Yes. So good. So okay. So ename is there and EID is there, right? Now come here. Okay. Now come on the browser now, guys. Okay. So okay. Come to browser now. Question mark. Okay.
Run the server.
EID server is not running.
Stopped the server, sir.
Okay.
Stopped the server.
Okay, right click, run as. Okay, so good. So here what EID is there, right? EID is there. Okay, equal to what? I'm taking 10. Okay. So now another one is what? And to separate different
And
And
yeah. So what is that? E name equal to what? Just I'm taking Ravi now. Okay, guys. So now I'm entering it. I'm hitting the data. So what is that? 10 and Ravi I'm getting or not, guys?
Both the way.
Okay.
10 comma Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so one more possibility I'm going to show you guys. Okay, see this. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, E name I'm taking, right? E name I'm taking here, I'm removing this one. Okay, I'm removing this one. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, EID I'm going to do.
Bad request.
Okay, so
Only Ravi will.
EID I'm going to take, what is the 10? So what I will get the result now, guys?
Bad request.
Everyone.
I will get result 10 and Ravi.
Result will
Get
Yeah,
the
you will get
result.
the you'll get the result. 10 and Ravi. Yes.
10 and Ravi getting.
10
Yes.
and Ravi. Same.
Don't confuse yourself, guys. Just give the wrong answer also acceptable here. Okay, give everyone the response now.
will get the result.
We'll get the result 10 and Ravi.
Give
Get
the
a
result
10
and
Ravi.
Ravi.
We'll get.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys. Order is not important. Any order we can take it. Okay. Still we will get the result now, guys. Okay. Still we will get the result now.
Yes.
Order is not important, right? Order is not important. Okay. So okay, guys. So good. So okay. So here I'm taking, what is that? Just think about that. Now I'm taking the order format now. Okay. So good. One more possibility I'm going to show you people. Okay. See this. And this one, right? Ravi is there, right? Again, what I'm going to do now, again, and what I'm going to do now, e name again, I'm going to take what? E name equal to, what is that? Sudhir. Let's take Sudhir, right? So then let me know that, guys, what result we will get it now, guys. We will get error.
Bad request. Bad request. Error.
Bad request.
Bad request.
Yes.
No, one will it will take.
4 not 4.
Everyone.
2 will not take.
4 not 4 getting error.
Bad request will come.
No, guys, we will not get very bad request. Okay, because first occurrence we will get the first occurrence. What is that? Ravi we will get.
10,
Front controller will ignore Sudhir, right? Front controller will ignore Sudhir. 10 and Ravi we will get now. First occurrence we will get now, guys. Come on.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Hey,
Ravi.
Ravi. Why we are getting this kind of?
Sudhir also.
No, 1 minute. Copy this one.
Both is coming, Ravi and Sudhir.
It's considering both.
No. Why we are getting both? 1 minute. EID 10, E name Ravi. Why we are getting no? This is the wrong. Why is getting?
Because here mandatory.
Sorry?
Request param is mandatory.
This is the by default mandatory only, man. In the same why we are getting both?
Ravi, if you give one more, we'll get 3 also.
Let's see that. Okay, because I don't know
1 key, 2 values.
how is
Oh.
no. It's something. 1 minute. Hey, why we are getting it's hiding now?
It is considering all the.
It's getting all the names, sir. Whatever written the names.
Because only first occurrence will come. Okay, in the last time, in which version I'm using now, guys?
The latest version got updated with.
No, Sudhir, something. Actually, I worked multiple times. It's first occurrences is coming in. Even this concept we implemented in the project also, right? It's something why it's going behind, like Ravi and one. Okay. Ravi is there now. EID. Let's take EID. Let's take 20 here and make the request. Hey, it's working on the EID, but why it's not
We
working?
got this also. Yeah.
See here, 10 we are getting.
EID, yes.
We are getting 20.
First occurrence only it took. Yeah.
First occurrence is taking, right?
Mm, yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so now here let's again fish and what is that EID I'm taking, right? EID equal to what? 10 I'm taking here, right? Now enter it.
Now we will get 20.
See 20 we are
First
getting, but
occurrence only.
first occurrence, but why in the string is giving now? Okay, so no problem. Okay, again we will experiment it. Okay, so here what I'm taking, what and again what is e name I'm taking e name, right? E name. After then what? Ravi, then Sudeep. Now
Both.
hey, why it's adding now? I don't know.
Maybe because of string, I think. Right?
Something. Okay, no issue, guys. Okay, we will experiment about it later. Okay, because it's only one, right? First occurrence only has to come, but I don't know why it's everything is adding now. Can't because in the single
For EID, it is for EID it is taking first occurrence only.
yeah, actually the first one is taking because the first one is what? Integer, right? Integer, but in the string.
Yeah, integer.
Okay, do one thing. Okay, let's take this one also. What string?
String.
I'm taking this one as a string only, right? So what I'm going to do now? Just I'm removing this one.
One more EID. One more EID.
Yes, and one more. Take the one more EID.
Okay.
Oh, in a string it's
Oh,
adding now,
yes.
right? In a string, I think
Yes,
this one
yes,
treating as a whole.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Okay, okay. So there we will experiment, and I will read again the document. Okay, document wise because in the previously this one is not there, right? This one is not there because of that. Okay, but okay in the string it's but integer is taking, right? The init is integer. What is that first
Integer
occurrence?
first occurrence only.
Yeah, first occurrence only it's taking now. Okay. So okay, guys. So all possibility I shown to you people now. The thing is good, right?
Yes, good.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
So now, okay, guys. So be careful from here onward. GSP, I use what our view layer. View layer is GSP, right? From here onward, I'm going to start what theme leaf. Are you ready to learn the theme leaf?
Yes, Ravi, ready.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Time leaf is important.
Yes.
Yeah.
And why I'm going to use theme leaf? First, I will tell why. What is the disadvantage to using what is the GSP? Actually, based on the company, but you know the heavyweight GSP is heavyweight because internally this is the servlet only, right? This GSP is converting in the GSP code internally. Our Jasper code is Jasper. What is that? Jasper container is there, right? That Jasper container is converting this GSP into what is that servlet equivalent code, guys. Okay, so because of this, if we are taking what is that this HTML code also, if we are writing this small tag also, right, it will convert in the servlet, right? Servlet, so it will become what is that heavyweight. So because of that, we are going to use what is the theme leaf. So are you ready to learn the theme leaf now?
Yes, Ravi, ready.
Yes, we are ready, Ravi.
First explain the tag.
Sorry.
Theme leaf, I don't know tag where to use this one.
It's okay, no issue. I'm ready to teach you now. Then you will learn. Okay, no problem. So just I want to know that you want to learn or not. That's it.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Sure,
we
you
want to
get
learn,
ready.
sir.
Yes, Ravi.
It is almost in all the projects along with Spring Boot they use
Yeah,
Canvas,
along
right?
with nowadays the company is using TeamLeaf only, right? So
Yeah.
so today only let's start the TeamLeaf tomorrow, guys.
Today.
Anything, like
Tomorrow.
It's your wish, Ravi.
Start today.
your wish, Ravi, like if you have
Yeah.
like, no problem.
Do one thing, guys.
Because you're with family.
Yeah, because I'm there in the family only, right? So okay,
Yes, yes.
1 minute. I'm muting myself for the 1 minute. Then I will decide it what I will do now. Okay, wait it just 1 minute.
Okay.
Wait, guys. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Do one thing, guys. Okay, actually from here onward the like our view layer is a totally new concept, right? So let's start tomorrow only, okay? Because still more concept is there, guys. Okay, I don't want to skip anything. I want to give elaborated explanation to you people. Okay, so just now if I start also, then just introduction if I complete then it will like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock will come. Okay, and even if we not do practical, at least we have, when we will start any new concept, we have need to complete one application, then people will remember. Okay, so if I start it
Okay.
No problem, Ravi.
if I start, right?
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah,
Nope.
if I start
Okay,
introduction in the introduction, just what is the star, what is the why we are using dollar symbol, why we are using what is that question mark, this symbols are there in the theme leaf, and how we can take so then people will, and tomorrow if I start what is that application, then people will forget those things, and then again if I like what explain tomorrow the previous concept, then there is no use, right? So let's start tomorrow. Tomorrow only fresh, and we will complete, right? I think tomorrow also our
With fresh minds.
yeah, tomorrow also.
Yeah, new things in new day. Yeah, new
yes.
thing in new day.
Yes. Okay, so let's stop the session now, guys. We will meet tomorrow, and tomorrow we will start. What is that? Tomorrow only ready it, right? Tomorrow I will start what theme leaf, and based on that theme leaf only I will give mini project, and that mini project, in the mini project I will conclude till now first day onward, whatever explanation I given, I will conclude each and everything, guys. Okay, and little bit focus on data JPA also, because I'm going to implement a data JPA also. Our farm data will go to store in the database, and from the database only we will read the data, edit. Mostly what is that, a save method, see the save all, as well as what is that optional I explained, right? Optional data null, how we can check that null in the table, that one. After then what is that, update, delete, edit, these things you have to see that, because in this mini project I'm going to implement what total code operation now, guys. Okay,
Okay, Ravi.
and that
Okay,
that mini project means mini project. I will give the view layer also with, I will use bootstrap also to beautify that page, guys. Okay, you will not feel what is that this is a not real time scenario. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So let's stop
Okay.
it. Let's stop it, and we will meet tomorrow.